Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we jump in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Today we're talking about PicsArt, one of the most popular photo editing apps available. Let's see if it still holds the crown for the best in 2025. PicsArt is well known for its wide range of features that cater to everyone, from casual users to professional editors. It offers tools for basic edits like cropping, resizing, and color correction, as well as advanced options like AI-powered effects, background removal, and double exposure. The app also includes a robust collection of filters, stickers, and fonts, allowing you to get creative with your images. Want to turn a photo into a cartoon or add artistic effects? PicsArt's AI tools make it easy. Plus, the collage maker is perfect for putting together multiple images in a stylish way. One standout feature is the video editor, which has been enhanced over the years. It lets you create short videos with effects, transitions, and music, making it ideal for content creators on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Another huge selling point is PicsArt's community aspect. You can share your edits, discover tutorials, and even participate in editing challenges to level up your skills. It's more than just an app. It's a creative hub. Subscription options? PicsArt is free to download, but many features are locked behind the Gold subscription, which offers access to premium tools, ad-free editing, and a vast library of exclusive content. While the free version is quite robust, the subscription provides a better experience for those who want professional level edits. Pros: versatile editing tools for photos and videos, AI-powered effects and creative options, active and inspiring creative community. Cons: some features require a subscription, ads in the free version can be intrusive. So is PicsArt the best photo editing app in 2025? If you value creativity, versatility, and ease of use, it's hard to beat. Whether you're a beginner looking to enhance your selfies or a pro creating content for social media, PicsArt has something for everyone. That's it for today's review. If you've used PicsArt, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other app reviews. See you next time.